Hey guys, we're back. We got Apple cases for the new iPhone 17 lineup, but no phones yet. We've already pre-ordered, just waiting for the devices to come. So if you're looking to do the same and you want to have a case day one, come check out this video and see what's right for you. All right, guys, so here's the options that I went with. We have for the iPhone Pro, the TechWoven case. That was supposed to be a Pro Max. We're off to a bad start. The silicone case in orange for the Pro Max, the iPhone Air bumper case, which I'm looking forward to, and just a basic iPhone Air clear case. Just wanted to take a look at, the thinness to it. So let's put these off to the side for now. And we'll start off with the silicone since it matches a phone size that I have. Standard issue. Rip it off. There's that orange, and obviously we don't have the new phones yet, but just looking at this orange, it's a little lighter than kind of what the pictures look like for the 17 Pro models. So maybe there's just a little contrast from what they're trying to do with the silicone to the actual phone, give it a little pop. But this kind of looks like, I don't know, like a pumpkin color. So we have a black 16 Pro Max. I'm just going to put that on there. And, typically, let's try that again. Turn the screen off. No little animation. Whatever. There's also a cool little trick with the latest edition of iOS 26, where you have a little case over here if you choose tinted. So I'm going to hit the case. Not as cool. Pause for station identification. So boom. Here's the ultramarine or whatever it was called for the 16. So the NFC can tell, hey, this is the wrong phone for this case. But pop that in, we get that blue animation. So we weren't getting that because it's the wrong phone, but see, I have it on tinted, and you could hit the case and it'll pick the colors for your tinted icons to match the case. So that's pretty sweet. And if you take it off, come on, it'll change. So you see that? If you just get it close enough to where the NFC can pick it up, you don't have to put it all the way in there, but boom, they change back to blue. Pop it back out, they change to gray. So that's what I was trying to show you guys with the orange case, but that NFC chip is telling this phone that it does not match. So we can at least still put this on there and see what it's eventually going to look like. And the way this looks, shout out to all the case manufacturers. If you've been looking on Amazon trying to find a case for yourself, every one of them is still showing the iPhone 17 Pro Max on their case with a black phone, and we're not getting a black one. So it's just kind of funny how nobody has really updated a lot of their pictures. I know ESR has, shout out to them, but I just think it's funny. I've been looking for a bunch of cases recently, and everyone that I see shows a black case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So obviously, here's the iPhone 17 Pro. I'm filming on a 16 Pro, so I do have a phone that matches the size. So through a little editing, we'll see exactly what that looks like with it on the phone. But Same deal. Here's the quality of it. Pick that up, a little AMSR, ASMR, whatever it's called. Uh, sorry. Uh, got nice buttons on there. Got the camera control on both of these, obviously. And something I didn't show you guys was the little lanyard loops. So crossbody straps, I meant to say. That's the big deal this year. But I like how this feels. It wouldn't say it's like a basketball or a football or anything, but it's just got a nice textured feel. But this is also coming from the guy that did kind of like that fine woven. Here's the fine woven that lasted 1 year for the iPhone 15s. This is now replacing it. And throw a fine woven wallet that I use every day since it got released. And on top of there, they didn't make a TechWoven case or TechWoven wallet. They're still making fine woven wallets. So that was kind of interesting to me. Just kind of what Apple is doing with their first party stuff. It's like they're halfway in, halfway out. You know, you got rid of the fine woven cases, but you kept the fine woven wallets, even though you're moving on to this new TechWoven case. So show you what that looks like here on screen with a phone in it. So that's what we got for the Pro phones. So I'll move those off to the side. And we don't got a phone to put this in just yet, but this is the bumper case for the iPhone Air. I showed you guys the battery bank, and even though it's not fitting obviously on the Pro Max, only sideways, got a little green button here showing you that it's filled. I was doing some pass through charging, and it actually works pretty decently. I wish this worked on all the products, but we'll test it out on the Air. But I don't know. I'm secretly kind of liking this. But back to the cases. Again, pull it off. And this reminds me, this bumper case, back in the day, Spigen used to offer a bumper case, and that's how they really blew up to me. It was like I think it was like a Geo hybrid something or other. I don't remember the name exactly, but it was literally just a bumper case. It was iPhone 4 days. I didn't do iPhones back then. I had a Galaxy S2 at the time with a nice bright red Spigen bumper on there. But this is dope. I'm excited to get this on the phone. It is going to cover up what looks like those pretty railings on it, but it's still got a camera control built in there, which is super duper thin. It's got the lanyard loops, crossbody loops, and let's see, does that fit on there? Oh, this better work together. I'll tell you what. So there's that. Move those off to the side, and then just the clear case. So rip it, pull it, smack it, pop it. There we go. Nothing much to it. Just it's kind of frosted. Yeah, it's a frosted back. So that's kind of nice. It's not just a completely clear case, but this thing still doesn't feel great for how much it costs. It's got those bottom cutouts. Okay, so we still get the lanyard crossbody loop. Sorry, that's going to take me a while to get used to. I'm not a lanyard crossbody kind of guy, but it's got that open cutout right here where we used to get that all the time on the Apple cases. They were always cut off on the bottom, and I think that's where they kind of got a bad rep, is you know, these corners, they would crack all the time or they'd get all chewed up. And for the longest time, ever since the rounded bodies, we've gotten, you know, these completely sealed off bottoms. So again, shout out, you know, we got the retired fine woven. We also got the retired product red, which we haven't got a product red since this 2000, or I should say iPhone 14 Pro days. Same with the leather, discontinued leather, iPhone 14. So just shout out to the retired cases. Maybe not this one as much. I didn't mind it, but product red and leather, bring those back, Apple. So boom, we got, kind of just want to give you a price comparison to everything as well. So the TechWoven, this is 59 bucks. It comes in black, that you see here, green, sienna, which is like a brown, a purple, a blue, and that's about it. One thing that really just trips me out about, I guess, the colors of the iPhones this year is silver, orange, and blue. It's a lot of these cases, they don't look good with the colors that they chose. Like the silver one looks good with everything, but not as good as I think a black would. So if they release the black, so that's all there is to it. All those colors would look pretty decent with black, but like a green with an orange iPhone with such a huge cutout, or a brown with an orange phone or a silver phone, like that's just not driving with me. But next, silicone, 49 bucks. You got orange, neon yellow. Again, that one would look great on black. Looks good on silver. Looks like trash on the other ones. Purple, midnight, which is just navy. Terracotta, which is like a brown again. I don't need a brown silicone case, Apple. So then there's also black. Then we got this, all they call it is just iPhone Air case. So Air case comes in frost, which is clear, and then shadow, which is black. So for whatever reason on this specific phone, they're giving them like fancy names, frost, shadow. It's not just clear and black. But then back to the bumper case, they actually made the case colors match the phones. So, you know, come on, Apple, let's make them actually look good with phones. Maybe it's because they have somewhat normal colors, I guess you could say, but we got a light blue, we got a tan that matches the gold, we got light gray that matches the white, and black, obviously, for the blacks. All right, guys, so that's it. So showing you off some of the new options that Apple's offering this year, the bumper case for the Air lineup, the TechWoven that is finally replacing the fine woven that to me feels great. Just not sure if I like all the color options, but hopefully watching this video helped you out and helped you decide on what you want to get. But if you're not subscribed yet, please do so below. Like the video, comment, let me know what you're getting, and also share this with your friends. Let's run these numbers out. So until the next time, it's Sean with Buck Life. Peace.